Hi, I'm Cordell here with Green Acres Nursery and Supply, and we're here today to do a vegetable potta. This is great for people who don't have a lot of space or aren't ready to commit to a full garden in their backyard. So we're starting here with a 24-inch box, and we like to use a good organic potting soil. The 24-inch box here is great because it's got a lot of depth for the roots to grow down and a lot of width too, so you can put in a variety of plants. So first things first, you want to get out your plants and prepare where you're going to put them into the planter. We've got some fillers here. The thyme, it's going to fill over the edge real nicely. Some lavender for the pollinators. Tomato plant right in the center. And we're going to fill in around the rest of the edges here with these guys. Make your hole. And take your Sure Start. Sure Start's going to be great for transplanting when you put in the new seedlings because it helps to get the roots adjusted to the new soil. Just sprinkle a little bit in there. Pop it in the hole. And you'll cover it up. Give it a good mound. And you're set. You can finish off with the rest of your plants. When planting your tomatoes, you can always pick off the bottom leaves and plant it a little bit deeper. And along the stem here, you're going to develop more root systems, which is going to make it sturdier. And it's going to hold up for a lot longer. Alright, so now that we've finished planting, the last thing we want to do for our tomato here is set it up with a tomato cage. It's very important to do it when they're younger so that you don't actually damage the root system when you put it in later. Now that we've got that down in there, we'll be able to guide it up as it grows taller. This is going to be a perfect patio box. It'll be great for anybody, like I said before, with a small yard. This type of a planter box is going to require a full sun for the tomato to grow big and tall and produce lots of buds and new tomatoes on it. You can always set it up with a drip system. Last thing too, if you have any questions at all, you can always come on into our store or give us a call and we'll be able to help you out.